Hello, hi everyone. Ankit Malik this side from My Shop Deal Gurgaon, and just reached to Bestech Sanskriti. So just entering in the tower Hibiscus to show you the apartment and sample of 1995 square feet of area. So this is a parking which you are seeing at the periphery is the visitors parking, and the residents parking are at the basement. So let me take you through inside of the project. So the best part of the Bestech is the entrance lobby. So every project of Bestech has a double height entrance lobby. So this is the entrance lobby of Bestech Sanskriti. So this is a waiting area if any of your guests comes, so you can wait them here at the waiting area. And now we are entering to the floor. So this is a lift lobby. It's purely the Italian marble in the lift lobby. So this is the lift lobby of Bestech Sanskriti, and the ground floor also you have the camera access. There are 3 lifts. One is the service lifts for the bigger things, and 2 are the normal passenger lifts for the entry of the residents. Each tower has 4 apartments, so it is easy to accessible. I will show you the backside also once after coming it outside from the sample. So currently I am taking you to the sample of the size of 1995 square feet, which is a 3 bedroom plus 7 quarter. On the ground floor also they have 2 apartments. So now we are entering the lift. So technically the lift also you can see it is of a brand of Thyssen. So Thyssen is one of the prominent brand in the lifts. So it has a 2-level basement also. It has basement 1 and basement 2, and the story is tentatively 20. The height is 20th floor, and this is also the thing which you can see. So if you have a budget bracket of 1.15 to 1.5 CR and you're looking at ready to move in project in the Gurgaon in the DLF Garden City township, so Bestech Sanskriti is a perfect choice. It's a ready to move in product where more than 400 families are currently residing, and everything is operational. So you can plan the meeting and the visit and see the things practically. So we will take you through the entire description. And since it's a ready to move in apartment, so they take 45 days to get your apartment ready once you complete the final payment of 100%. So technically you will get the possession from the date of booking in the 90 days time duration. So we are just entering outside the lift. So this is the lift lobby. It is again well ventilated, well lit. See, every floor has 4 apartments. So this is the first apartment. See the ventilation, they have put a very good ventilation in the lift lobbies also. The second apartment they have. Now we are entering in the another apartment. So this is apartment of size 1995 square feet. See the fittings of the door. It is the hardened fittings of the door, and see the fixtures and everything. So you can see the 4 hinges inside the door. So these 4 hinges maintain the quality and the strength of the door. It is the actual door and the actual finishing. So this is the servant quarter. You can see the servant quarter, which has its own washroom, and it is attached with the balcony. So the chefs which are giving it, they had giving it in the balcony especially, because in case in any of the default or the water problem, so the plumber will come directly into your balcony, just remove these shafts and just remove the problem, get it out. So this is the balcony which is of connected with your kitchen. This is the gas pipeline, and that is a wet point for the wash waste thing, and that is the switch. So this is the entire green area which you see from the balcony. 95 square feet. So these are the well lit apartment of 1995. It is connected with the kitchen. We are going with the kitchen again from the main door. The visibility. So I'm just going outside. It is the main entrance door, so you can keep the door either here. This is the another door which is enter in your living and dining area. So at that entrance, this is the living and the dining area, so you will get the same. So currently I am seeing the timing is 4:30 and you can see the sunlight. There's proper sunlight inside the apartment. So what the things you will get inside the apartment? You will get the AC in the living dining area and in all the bedrooms. You will get Waterchino Italian marble flooring. This is the another balcony which is connected with your living and dining area. It is again well lit. This is the dining area which has connected with this, and this is the kitchen which is connected with your servant room of size 90-95 square feet. So this is the kitchen. You will get the upper cabinet, you will get the lower cabinet, you will get the fully modular kitchen with the sink and all the things. So this is designed in the way you are seeing, a well lit cupboards with proper spaces and all, the fire extinguisher in case of any emergency. बट ये ऐसा नहीं है कि नॉर्मली ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट हो जाए, एक पर्टिकुलरली टेम्परेचर चाहिए इन फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स को स्टार्ट होने के लिए. तो अगर आप घर में कोई हवन वगैरह कर रहे हैं तो इट डजंट मीन दैट दे विल स्टार्ट. काफ़ी ज़्यादा फायर चाहिए इनको स्टार्ट होने के लिए. सो यू गेट द 5 AC, 2 AC आर हियर. दिस इज योर डाइनिंग एरिया. सो डाइनिंग एरिया इज ऑल्सो connected with this full ventilated balcony. So this is the first bedroom which is connected with the living and dining area. So I am showing you the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. You will get the AC, you will get the wooden flooring inside the apartment. This is the washroom of Bestex Sanskriti. So you will get the all high-end fittings of Cera inside the washroom. The well ventilation inside this false ceiling, and this is the shower panel. Again the fittings are all of Cera. Only the glass partition you need to be there. So they have provided me to install the glass partition with yourself. So I am taking you to the balcony of the 90-95 square feet. It is a good balcony, and it is a well lit balcony. See the space. It is a very good space of the balcony, which I'll show you from this side also, so that you get a proper idea. The height and depth is good, and it is covered, fully covered. So you can have a fan or the light, whatever you want it here. And I'll show you the view from here also, from the balcony. So this is the again view of the project, the entire green view from the balcony. These are again the shafts. So let me take you the another 2 bedrooms of size 90-95 square feet. So this is the again the area where you can make the small wardrobe, or you can make a small mandir, whatever you want. This is the second washroom which is connected with the living dining area and with another bedroom. So if you want, some guests are coming, so they can use this washroom also. And if you want to use the same washroom with your bedroom, so it has another door which has a connectivity from the another master bedroom, another bedroom also. So this is the another bedroom which again has the balcony. It is again has the wooden floorings inside it, and the space for the wardrobe would be there. Wardrobe work you need to do by your side. So they are providing the AC, the washrooms are fully loaded, the wooden flooring, the kitchen upper cabinet, lower cabinet, but the wardrobe work you need to do yourself. Now we are entering the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. So again you will get the AC, you will get the wooden flooring and a balcony. This balcony is connected with the master bedroom and the adjacent room. So they had given the wardrobe space in the washroom, so you need to do the wardrobe work by yourself. Rest all the fittings and the fixtures are given by Bestech. So you need to do the work of the glass panel, that's it, by yourself, and the wardrobe work and the furniture you need to bring up with yourself. This is the balcony which is connected with the master bedroom and the another bedroom. So it is a big balcony of the size of 90-95 square feet. So it is well connected, and this is the it is a very wide balcony. so you can place the hanging chair or something like that. And the best view of this unit is the green view. It is internal unit, so it faces the entire green area of the project of Bestech Sanskriti. So this is the clubhouse which I am showing you downside, the swimming pool, the amphitheater, the walking pathways, walkways, gazebo, seating area. और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि इसमें जो लाइट्स हैं वो सारी की सारी आपके सेंसर बेस्ड लाइट्स हैं, सो दैट वंस यू मूव इनसाइड द प्रोडक्ट इन द नाइट टाइम दे ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट एंड स्विच ऑफ. उससे खास बात ये है कि आपका जो मेंटेनेंस है दैट यूज टू बी टेकन केयर एट अ वेरी कॉन्स्टेंट प्राइसेस. The maintenance of this project is tentatively 3 rupees per square feet multiplied by the size, whatever the size you will take it. So this is the entire view of the size of 1995 square feet of area. So I hope you like the video. If you have any question, please let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and just ending this video, and stay tuned, stay safe. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.